Can you freeze sweet potatoes raw without blanching?
Hello and welcome to our tutorial about freezing sweet potatoes. Today, we are going to answer the big question, can you freeze sweet potatoes raw without blanching? This is something many of us have wondered, and we're here to provide the answers.
What is blanching?
Before diving into our main topic, let's first understand what blanching is and why it's often associated with freezing vegetables. Blanching involves partially cooking vegetables in boiling water or steam, then quickly cooling them in ice water. This process slows down enzyme activity that can spoil the food, helping to preserve color, texture, and nutritional value during freezing.
Can you freeze sweet potatoes without blanching?
Now, onto our main question. Can you freeze sweet potatoes raw without blanching? Yes, you can. However, there are pros and cons. On the positive side, it's a time saver, but the downside is that the texture and flavor might not be as good compared to blanched frozen sweet potatoes. Over time, enzymes can cause color and texture changes, potentially affecting the quality of your sweet potatoes.
What are the benefits of blanching sweet potatoes before freezing?
While freezing sweet potatoes without blanching is possible, blanching before freezing offers some benefits. Blanching helps to maintain the quality of the sweet potatoes during the freezing process. It deactivates enzymes that can degrade color, flavor, and nutritional value. Therefore, if you plan to store sweet potatoes for a long period, blanching is recommended.
How to freeze sweet potatoes without blanching?
If you still decide to freeze sweet potatoes without blanching, here's a quick guide. 1. Wash and peel your sweet potatoes. 2. Cut them into your desired shape and size. 3. Spread them out in a single layer on a baking sheet. 4. Freeze until solid, then transfer to a freezer-safe bag or container. 5. Make sure to use your frozen sweet potatoes within 3 months for the best quality. In conclusion, while you can freeze sweet potatoes raw without blanching, blanching is recommended for long-term storage as it helps to maintain color, texture, and nutritional value. However, if convenience is your priority, go ahead and freeze your sweet potatoes raw. Remember, whether you decide to blanch or not, you're making a great choice by choosing to freeze and preserve these nutritious and delicious veggies. Happy freezing!